let's fire her up.
Hold on. Ready? Go ahead.
Welcome back to another video on Tim's custom 1500 horsepower Mercedes 190e Evo 2 wide body. On this episode, we're going to work on getting it started for the first time in over a year since we added all the new modifications to it. So with that said, let's dive right into the video.
What is going on? What's happening?
Driven prep. No, driving prep? Driving prep.
Driving and driven prep.
Driven.
So like you are putting the car together.
Yeah, after having had made new steering system, cross member, tubular control arms with like multiple levels of adjustability, tie rod ends. Well, now it's just going together for the first time.
Oh, sweet.
So lots of stuff.
Awesome. And also your dry sump.
Dry sump system. So I have 100 fittings to install in the next couple of days.
Where's the bag? Like there's like multiple bags of things.
This is accounted for, every part of the
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
There's no extras. Because when you're buying these big boys,
yeah,
you don't got room for buying extra.
What are those in, what, 12?
16s.
Oh!
So,
those are some thick boys.
these are probably $60 a piece.
Oh my gosh. And look
These
at the
big ones?
amount of...
I don't know. I don't even know what they cost. I just went in and with the list.
Wow.
Paid whatever they told me.
Perfect.
So yeah, we got lots to do. But we'll be there.
So it has to be drivable, or...
Yeah.
Okay.
So, but I don't want to take this thing apart again. So.
And we're also tuning it. You're also tuning it too, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, a bunch of changes. We got to tune it because of the dry sump, because it changes a few things. And we've changed our setup a little bit. So, I got to get it all back together in the next 6 days because we have a tuner coming in to tune it.
Oh, wow. Oh,
should be
shoot.
fun. We got lots to do.
Nice.
Mil-spec bolts. Overnight from America.
Not from Japan.
Not from Japan. American made.
Wow.
Yeah.
What? A bald eagle? I feel like there's more bald eagles here than in the States.
There is. They all want to get away from that place.
Yeah, I know.
See? This rich people shit right here. See how glamorous it is?
It is.
I've commented so many times how we got all this crazy shop. Check it out, you guys want the tour? I'm still working on the floor. I feel elite right now.
It is pretty glamorous, actually. Dust everywhere.
Dust, dirty.
Yeah, perfect.
Cars just sitting on a wood block. In preparation of my air jacks. I had to move my air compressor over here, and then now I got to reverse all the lines, and then that way I can do a straighter shot with my big Dash 16.
Yeah.
Mostly just because I'm cheap.
Yeah.
So that's like an extra 5 feet of hose, which equates to about $160.
Oh my gosh.
No, that's not actually why. Just because I already had bulkhead fittings there, so it's easier to upsize the existing holes than drill a bunch of new holes.
Yeah.
But every day that I work on it to get it closer to being finished, it seems like it ends up more apart than when I started. What do you think?
Nice lines you got there.
It's coming together.
Dang, those are some thick boy lines.
One more and we can close this bad boy up for the last time.
It looks so cool back there.
And as soon as I put the rad in, you can't see any of it.
Oh, so sad. When you look at like AN6 line, for example,
Yeah.
like chump change. Once you move up to these bad boys,
They're like $40 a piece.
The hose is, let's see, retail, this would be almost $200.
Ooh, just that?
Just this.
Oh my
I
god.
think this is probably $70. 75 bucks. Another 75 bucks, and then 30 bucks worth of hose.
That is just. Oh, and he dropped it. And he's just.
On camera, on camera. Why did you say Anthony all scratched up? Where's the other
That's
one?
so funny.
This is what it takes to make 1,000 horsepower reliably. Fuel, oil, and a cooling system, and it's not cheap. So you might be able to touch 1,000 horsepower, but to have 1,000 horsepower is expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The wrench in.
Okay.
It's done.
It's done? Oh. Very nice. How many days is it to driven?
Well, now that they just shortened my deadline, 2.
They shortened your deadline?
Yeah, they want me there for 6 p.m. on Friday.
Oh gosh. And
By 1 day?
the engine is not in the car.
After tonight, we'll get here. But now they took that away, so.
Oh no.
We got 2 days. We could do it. That's nothing. This is nothing.
I've done more with less.
Wait, why are you putting all of this before it goes in the car?
We need to be able to turn the transmission splines.
Okay, so spin it. Yep. Okay. That's motor? So fun.
That's very funny.
We're just doing a drivetrain test before we put it in. Right, so we got that. That's because. All right,
Let's do it.
What's next?
load it up.
Next is the cross member.
Are we ready?
Oh yeah. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Because you're driving the slant nose.
Yeah,
So-
road tripping to Calgary. It's like a solid 10 hours. I'm stoked, man.
That's crazy.
It's gonna be dope because I daily my 996 and Tim's is super custom. So I'm looking forward to seeing how that
The
feels.
differences?
How it feels.
Yes.
She's thick, super wide body.
we were able to finish up the Evil EVO and the slant nose just in the nick of time. And on the next episode, we're going to be taking both cars on a 10-hour road trip to the driven show. So if you want to see that, be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.